We're a property management company, also with a facilities management branch. We have field engineers who go out, inspect people's premises, report back, proactively find faults and have third-party contractors come out and repair the works. Primarily, our business is to get the maximum lifespan out of physical assets for our clients. We have, in our business sector, we have quite a lot of different information to analyze in order to make decisions. This information is in various places in our current software. For someone to draw a report would take possibly an hour, hour and a half. Only then do the analytics present what needs to be done, what decisions need to be taken. With Intuitive, the information is readily available immediately, so the analysis is immediate and the actions can be taken. What we found was when looking at Intuitive, what separated it from the rest is that the skill set needed to use Intuitive meant that anybody in our organization could adapt to it. We didn't have to go and get another learned skill set in order to use the dashboard. So that was one of the primary things that led us to choose Intuitive. Also, it came in extremely well priced. Its licensing structure was very, very attractive. It's not a reoccurring licensing structure. We have another backbone software system which Intuitive probes in order to render the information. The system is very advanced, very sophisticated, very powerful. However, the information is one-dimensional, and you'd have to search in different sectors for the specific information that you're after. Intuitive allows you to correlate different aspects, different areas of information, and bring it into one view very quickly and in real time. We didn't know what our implementation timeline would be. Having a fair idea of what dashboards were out there, we had a 4-month timeline. After getting the Intuitive dashboard system, we were able to reduce that timeline to 2 months. Through our procurement process, we ran a timeline, but the implementation time took no more than a week and a half. Once the scripts were written and the data was available, the building of the dashboards was easy. When we initially set out to the purchase of Intuitive, we didn't see it as a return on investment, but rather as a tool that we needed for our organization. I think the result is going to be, through the use of Intuitive, that we will have savings as we see and manage things better. If time is a return on investment, we've definitely gained time. If resource management is a return on investment, we've definitely gained resource efficiencies. Our staff have got more time to do more support elements for our client. All in all, we have approximately about 5 or 6 people who actively use the dashboard. Various roles dictate various usages of the dashboard. More at my level, I get a greater picture very quickly of how the account is performing. All of this used to take some time in the past and is now much quicker. In our first application of Intuitive, we've looked at building a lot of historical dashboards. For the future, we see that connecting the dashboards to monitor fuel consumption, mileage traveled, time spent on site by staff, we can see rewards coming if we monitor that. One of the big benefits has been that we've been able to put the information with our client. And I think the trust that it creates by having that transparency has been a great benefit for us. Whereas a report written with the signature at the bottom, weeks after the information is valid, is not as powerful as something live in the client's environment.